Okay, gonna do a quick review on Save-A-Lot's Kurtz Spicy Brown Mustard. It's 100% natural, and this is a 12-ounce jar. It's pretty good. We go through a lot of this. It's pretty good with sandwiches, recipes that you don't need mustard in. And it's pretty nice and spicy. A little bit on the hot side, but not real bad. I can't think how much it costs right offhand. We got a Save-A-Lot here close to the house, so we do a lot of grocery shopping there. Serving size is 1 tablespoon, a teaspoon, calories, 0 fats, 0. Serving 6 to 8 servings per container, per jar. It's pretty good. It's pretty good, nice and spicy. Mustard you can put in sandwiches, potato salad, pretty much any kind of recipe that you need. You want to put mustard in, or ham sandwiches, hot dogs, stuff like that you might like add mustard, having some spicy mustard on top of them. And like I said, it's pretty good with mustard. It's Save-A-Lot's Kurtz Spicy Brown Mustard, 100% natural. And this is a 12-ounce, like I said, it's a 12-ounce jar. Like I said, I can't remember what it cost. We buy it all the time at Save-A-Lot closer to the house. And Save-A-Lot has 100% guaranteed on all the food and products. If you're not happy with them, you can take it back and they'll give you a refund on, or give you a full refund on it.